Welcome back friends. In this video I am going to show you one best attack. Uh, you can see the base is not so easy, and I have already discussed about this base earlier. But that time I was discussing about the failed attack. But this time you can see how beautifully the player will get the 3 star. Okay, so you can see that the clan castle is in the corner, and then there is some air defense mainly to protect from air troop. Okay, so one single target inferno protecting from heroes, splash damage makers like this scatter shot, high hit point buildings, group of 4 high hit point buildings here, and group of 4 high hit point buildings here. So if you are deploying your troops here without destroying or doing proper funnel, most of the troop will be moving towards this side, and since there is scatter shot, then that troops will be destroyed easily. Okay, you can see here one distraction, or you can say the heroes is in this position, the royal champion, and one hero in this position. So mainly what happens, the defense troops will get attracted towards heroes. Okay, and also other heroes will get attracted towards this side and this side. Now after so you can see taking down this town hall by attacking from upper side will not be very easy. You can also see there is two more single target infernos, and it is protected from air defenses by this air sweeper. Also I have already said it is like a ring base. You can see the huge space in the middle, and almost all the defense troops and trash buildings in the boundaries. Okay, so one way to cut this ring base is to slice it from two sides and make your troops go one directly to the center, or you can do slicing in only one side. Okay, suppose this side, and then force your troops to move like this is also acceptable. Okay, uh, here also you can see there is three archer towers and two cannons. So single target attacks are so much in this side, and air troops are uh, threatened by this air defense in the corner. So if you are deploying a single hero, then also this single target buildings are enough to destroy this hero. Okay, and similarly the single target buildings are here. uh, so a single hero will not work in these areas. You can see the X-bows in the middle. So this X-bows can easily drain even the hit point troops like a single ED or a P.E.K.K.A. Okay, you can see here almost continuous trash buildings. Okay, so extra storage and in between there is cannon. So uh, if you think that you will make a proper funnel here and deploy all the defense hitting troops from this side, then they may get attracted towards this cannon. Okay, so this will also not work. And overall you can see, if you are not making funnel and trying to attack from this side going towards the town hall, then your troops will be distracted towards this and this side. Okay, because you can see here most of the space are empty. Okay, and here you can also see distractions is available. So most probably this is a good base and the design is good. And if you are not taking any or deploying your troops as per the requirement, then you may even lose a 2-star opportunity. Okay, because you can see, if you want to score 2-star, then you have to attack from two position. 1 star will be giving by this town hall, but if you are attacking from this side, then here your troops may get destroyed. And if you are thinking to take one more star, then you have to attack any one single area. Okay, then let me show you what the player have used. Some mistake he have also committed, for that he have to pay some penalty in time, but overall the attack was very good. Okay, let me show you. First he have deployed one giant wall breaker to make this CC troop come out, and you can see only uh, air balloons and ED have appeared. Now he have used one ice golem so that he may freeze all the troops which are there. He have also used a poison spell so that the balloons may get killed. Then he have used his king and a siege barrack. This was his mistake, I think, because he thought by using this siege barrack he will able to take down the queen. But uh, since he have used the siege barrack here, the scatter shot may easily target this siege barrack and may destroy him. He would have used the siege barrack in this area and king in this place so that he may take down the queen. Okay, although the queen is destroyed, but the siege barrack is also destroyed. Now he have used a rage spell so that most of the troops get benefited there, and also to destroy some of the defense buildings in this area. Okay, so he have some bowlers. As you know, bowlers have a long range, so it may target even up to these areas. Okay, and you can see the bowler have done good work and was able to destroy the scatter shots. But the town hall gets activated, and now it is targeting all the bowlers. Okay, so he have used the earthquake spell here, because you can see almost all of his troop was getting diverted towards this location. I have already said here was some of the high hit point buildings, and if one does not take care of this high hit point building, the troop will definitely get distracted. As you can see here, all the yetis and bowlers are distracted. So he have used the uh, earthquake spell so that he may pull back his main troop to the center. Okay, and also use the Grand Warden ability so that his bowlers may get protected. And you can see the town hall is destroyed. And till now, he have used almost all of his troop, and only 14% is taken down. Okay, now you can see his half of the troop was diverted to this side, and some of the troops was diverted to this side. Okay, but the best part I think was this troop getting towards the center. So in this way, although the troops were divided into three equal parts, but since the center troops is quite powerful, they were easily able to take down this eagle artery and some of the troops, some of the buildings from the corners. You can see here, let me show. In this side, he have again used a jump spell. Okay, so that the troops may get enter easily, and the single target defenses may not hamper much. Okay, but here some of the bombs get activated, and you can see most of the troops were affected. You can see the expose how they are attacking the yetis, and I think the bowlers will also get affected by this expose. But the best part was that some of the yetis are inside and may hamper some of the defense buildings. In this side, to take down, he have used the royal champions, and some of the balloons are also there to affect the defenses. And you can see almost he have deployed all his troop except some of the trash cleaning wizards and one fridge spell. Okay, you can see the healers are gone. And the queen have tapped her ability to take down the enemy's king, but the balloons have done a good work. Okay, so not only it have destroyed the defense buildings, but also helped these heroes to stay alive. Okay, so now he have deployed some of the trash cleaners, and okay, so now you can see there is only two defense buildings left, and the queen will easily take down this two defense buildings. So although he have done some mistake like not making any type of funneling, okay, but still he was managed to make 3 star by this wonderful strategy. Hope you have liked this video, guys. Meet you in next video. Bye.